Yo, what's up, you guys? The mama's being too loud. I will call bird services on the mom because the baby try to sleep. They're trying to sleep, and earlier the mom was being too loud. I'm gonna call bird child services on the mama and get the birds took it from her. Nah, this is for entertainment purposes only. Uh, Parody, you guys. Hope y'all have a good one. Bye. Yo, what's up, you guys? Thank y'all for watching the video. We have two baby birds, marmalade nest. I think a day or two ago, or something like that. So it's so cute, and hope to hear from y'all soon. Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye, you guys.